Downloading data from Square is a straightforward process that allows you to access your sales, inventory, and customer information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have administrative access to download the necessary data. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your Square dashboard. This is where you can manage your business settings and access various reports. Step 3. Select the data type. In the dashboard, look for the section that corresponds to the data you want to download, such as sales, inventory, or customers. Click on the relevant option to proceed. Step 4. Choose the date range. After selecting the data type, you will often have the option to specify a date range for the data you wish to download. Set the desired start and end dates to filter the information accordingly. Step 5. Download the data. Once you have selected the data type and date range, look for a download button or link. Click it to download the data, which is typically available in CSV format for easy access and analysis. By following these steps, you can efficiently download your data from Square and utilize it for your business needs.